Austrália reafirma o compromisso com Timor-Leste de forçar investimento econômico e social no institucional Fond Logo e a sequência de adesão Timor-Leste à ASEAN. Posição ne apresenta o primeiro-ministro Austrália, Anthony Albanese, e a sessão solene nebe organiza o Parlamento Nacional e quarta-feira ne. Austrália se continua serviço basically utang ho Timor-Leste, onde hamete insira na posição regional baseada no princípio katak, resiliência, segurança, prosperidade no futuro nação rua nini abut, meting em sudeste asiático. Portanto, cooperação laço econômico sira identifica ona, hanesam pilar central ida, husi parceria bilateral, na Austrália destaca a importância atu harino aprofunda, ligação econômica sira, no dar fundação ida resiliência nebe botleu. Hodi nota katak, serviço hamutu permite ona, atu aproveita Timor-Leste ne vantagem comprovativo sira, no hameting nini papel, no dar mercado nebe buras ba empresas australianos sira.
Australia strongly supported Timor-Leste's deepening engagement in this, the fastest growing region of the world in human history. When Timor-Leste became not just Asia's newest country, but the newest full member of ASEAN at the summit held in Malaysia last year. And I pay tribute to the personal leadership shown and advocacy of Prime Minister Guzmão in achieving that breakthrough for your nation. Timor-Leste, to continue to strengthen your standing as Asia's youngest nation and as ASEAN's newest democracy. Because we know that over the years ahead, our resilience, our security, our prosperity and our destiny lies here in Southeast Asia. That's why we proudly provided funding to help realise the goal of ASEAN membership through our technical assistance and capacity building package. Today I announce we will contribute a further $8.2 million to this package, bringing total funding to $20 million. This is an investment in Timor-Leste's place in the Southeast Asian community of nations, furthering friendships, deepening dialogue and advancing shared interests, all while ensuring Timor-Leste's autonomy and your economic advancement. But to do that, we need to be looking to build, to integrate and strengthen our economic ties and therefore our shared economic resilience. It is those priorities that remain the focus of our partnership right across the board. Together we are building on Timor-Leste's comparative advantages and strengthening your nation as a growing market for Australia.
Iha contexto ne, governo Austrália anuncia aumenta financiamento para pacote assistência técnica, no capacitação, o objetivo atu apoio Timor-Leste na integração e a ASEAN. Reportagem Fifanya de Carvalho, Televisão Timor Post.